In this video, we're going to learn how to update an existing design with Toast POS data. From within the design editor, select Menu Data from the left. Select the Import Data button. A pop-up will appear. Select the POS button. Select Menu Data for use, and then select Add Groups. The selected menu groups will appear on the left within Menu Data. To add the menu data on the design, click on the desired group, then select Place Group. Available spaces will highlight on the design. Click to replace. The menu data will import onto the design. Repeat this process until all desired menu data is on the design. Now it's your turn to get ready, set, and create something great.